Welcome back. As promised, let's get that conversation going with Siddhartha Khemka of Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Sid, good morning and happy Friday to you. So let's talk TCS, putting a lot of money to work, getting in TPG. And this is what we're seeing globally as well, right? That's what a lot of the global giants are doing, getting private equity to fund this rapid growth of AI and data centers. Your thoughts earlier when the company announced its own investment, at the time of results, there was some issue and market was wondering whether this is unrelated, etc. How are you looking at it?
Good morning. Happy Friday to you as well, Surbhi. I think, the investors were looking for some of these IT companies. They're generating a lot of cash and they're looking for the next phase of growth where they will find. And as you rightly said, globally, AI is the space to be in. AI data centers. I think at the time of results, they did announce investments, capex into the data centers, and now the global PE fund TPG to support its data center business. So I think that only adds to the credibility that investors would like some of these large Indian tech companies which are generating a lot of cash flows to diversify into the future or new age businesses for sure. So we are looking at it very positively. As I said, there was a big investment announcement, and now with TPG coming in, they will share a portion of it. And I think the shareholding has also been decided between both the entities, so a JV will be formed. But nonetheless, that's a positive step in the right direction in future growth business.
So it's a buy, TCS?
TCS is definitely a buy for us. More from a long-term perspective, as I said, things are falling in place, and here we see a good recovery for IT companies. Although within the IT space, our top tier one preferred pick is HCL Tech, given its more diversified business model, more business coming in from the digital side of the business.
Okay. The other interesting event of the day is going to be these numbers that we get from Grow, right? Finally, we'll get quarterly financial performance. So much is going on. What is your sense? Okay, let's not talk about technically what's happening with the stock and whether there was a short squeeze and all. Let's leave that aside. Let's talk fundamentals. How do you rank the performance, and what sort of a growth run rate and margins will Grow have to show to keep investor faith intact at a price of 150, 160 where it's trading right now?
So, unfortunately, Surbhi, we were one of the investment bankers, so I think I should not talk about it right now.
Okay. All right. We'll let that pass then. Any new stocks on your radar? Anything that comes to mind?
Yes. So I think a lot of stocks that are coming, especially the Mahindra Group, they have been announcing a lot of long-term vision and plans. That is something that we are looking at today morning. Apart from that, I would say NBFC is something which is doing very well. We hosted the management of Poonawalla FinCorp, the MD and CEO, for a meeting with some of our investors to discuss the company's future trajectory, as well as what is the progress that has been achieved in the past 1 year of the new leadership. So what we see is that continuously the company is delivering on its stated ambition of being a digitally enabled multi-product, high ROE lending franchisee. We believe that Poonawalla FinCorp is well positioned to sustain its 35 to 40% AUM CAGR guidance that it has given with an improving profitability. The company is also targeting to achieve its guided ROAs of 3.5% by June of 2028, which only goes on to say that apart from growth, profitability, as well as return ratios, they are on track to achieve all of them pretty comfortably. Valuation-wise also, I think with that kind of growth, we see a lot of comfort in valuation. So we have a buy rating on Poonawalla FinCorp with a target price of 600.
Okay. All right, Siddharth, thank you very much for that.